Hey, what's up, Africa? It's your boy bringing you the latest news on making money online. You don't need an expensive computer to make money online. Your phone? It's your ticket to the global market. We'll explain it step by step. Even if you've never made a single cent online, you'll be making money before you know it. Put on your thinking caps, charge your phones, because we're about to reveal the secrets to making money online, all thanks to your phone. Let's be real. How many times a day do you look at your phone? We spend hours on these phones. But what if I told you this little thing can do more than just use up your internet data? Your phone is a money-making machine waiting to be put to work. We're talking real opportunities available to everyone, right here, right now. Get ready to turn those phone-tapping fingers into a money-making machine. Okay, your phone probably won't magically start spitting out cash, though that would be awesome. But the technology packed into these little devices is amazing. Remember when phones were just for calling people? Now you can edit videos, design websites, and run entire businesses right from your phone. You've got the internet, a great camera, and tons of apps designed to make your life easier. That's more power than most people had just a few years ago, and the best part, it all fits in your pocket. No more excuses, my friend. It's time to embrace the power of your smartphone and join the tech revolution. Okay, so let's talk about how to make that money, alright? And I'm telling you, you don't have to be a computer whiz or a business genius to get started. First up, we have freelancing. Think about it. You're good at something, right? Maybe you're a great writer, a talented artist, or maybe you have a knack for organizing things. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Remotasks are full of opportunities to use your skills. Write articles, design logos, transcribe audio. The possibilities are endless. Freelancing is all about freedom and flexibility. Part 4. Method 2. Recommending products. Become a paid product promoter. Have you ever told a friend about a great product you love? Of course you have. Recommending products is like that, but you get paid to do it. Sign up for a product recommendation program. Amazon, Jumia, and Digistore. 24 are great places to start. Choose products you believe in, and then share your referral link with your friends. Every time someone buys using your link, you get paid. You're getting paid to share your recommendations, and who doesn't love a good recommendation? Chapter 5. Opportunity number 3. Selling digital products. Become an online entrepreneur. Remember those skills we talked about earlier? Well, package them up and sell them online. Ebooks, tutorials, design templates, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? You only have to make it once and then you can sell it over and over again. More money for less work. There are tons of apps available right on your phone that can help you create professional-looking digital products. Canva and CapCut are great for design, and Notion is awesome for creating ebooks and courses. Platforms like Payhip and Gumroad make it super easy to sell and get your digital creations out to the world. Part 6. Opportunity number 4. Social media services. Turn your scrolling into dollars. We all know social media can be a major time suck, but did you know it can also be a goldmine? Businesses desperately need help with their social media, and that's where you come in. Offer your services as a social media manager, content creator, or even as a social media strategist. Start reaching out to local businesses or entrepreneurs in your area, offering to help manage their social media presence. From writing catchy captions to designing eye-catching graphics, you can easily charge $50 to $200 per business per month. That's right, you have the skills, you have the clients, now it's time to get paid. But how do you actually receive money for work you do online? Don't worry, it's much easier than you think. Places like PayPal, Payoneer, and Wise make it super simple to send and receive money internationally. Just create an account, verify your identity, and then get ready to work. Many of these platforms work with mobile money services, making it even easier to access your earnings. Let's be real. Starting an online business isn't always easy. You'll face challenges, the internet will go down, clients will disappoint you, and you might even feel discouraged when the money doesn't come quickly. The important thing is to be patient, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your dreams. We'll talk about a lot of things today, but here's the most important thing. Your phone is a powerful tool, and it's time you started using it to your advantage. You don't need an expensive computer, you don't need a lot of money, and you don't need to be a tech whiz. All you need is the drive to succeed and the willingness to work. Even if you only have 30 minutes a day, it's enough to start building your online empire. Listen, we're not just giving you tools, we're building a community. We believe in the power of the internet to change lives, and we're here to help you every step of the way. This is Rise Digital Africa, your one-stop shop for all things digital entrepreneurship. We talk about tips, skills, and strategies to help you succeed online, all in a fun and exciting way. We're building a community of driven people, all working together towards a brighter future. Hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and let's rise together digitally. Alright my friends, the complete guide to making money online in Africa, all thanks to your phone. This is Rise Digital Africa, giving you the knowledge, the ideas, and the tools to succeed online. Subscribe, like, share, and comment on what you'd like to see in our next video. We believe in your potential and we can't wait to see what you achieve. Now go show the world.